Good morning, students. Today I will discuss types of matrices. First one zero matrix. Zero matrix. Definition of zero matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are zero is called zero matrix or null matrix. What is definition of zero matrix? A matrix in which all elements are zeros is called zero matrix or null matrix. For example, A equal to 0, 0, 0. This is zero matrix. This is order is 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. First row, second row. First column, second column. 2 by 2. Next, second definition, row matrix. Row matrix definition: a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. For example, capital A equal to only one row. 1, 2, 3. This is only one row. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. One row, 3 columns. Next, column matrix. A matrix having only one column. Is called column matrix. For example, capital B equal to A, B, C. This is column matrix. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 1 column. 3 rows, 1 column. A matrix having only 1 column is called column matrix. Next, rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called rectangular matrix. For example, capital C equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Number of rows, 2 rows, is not equal to number of columns, 3 columns. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns. 2 into 3. Okay. Number of rows, 2 is there. Number of columns, 3 is there. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns is called rectangular matrix. Next, square matrix. A matrix in which all the number of rows is equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns. This is square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. Important one more question. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A matrix, a square matrix, a square matrix, a square matrix. All the elements are zero except diagonal elements. Except diagonal matrix. Except diagonal elements. Capital A equal to 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 4. These 2 3 4 diagonal elements. 2 3 4 diagonal elements. Okay, diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns. It is a square matrix. All elements are zeros except diagonal elements. Except diagonal elements is called a diagonal matrix. All elements are zeros except diagonal elements. It is a square matrix. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar. Here, same. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. All diagonal elements are equal or same. It is a diagonal matrix. All diagonal elements are same or equal. Is called scalar matrix. Capital A equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Diagonal elements are same or equal. Diagonal elements are same or equal. Is called scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. Okay. It is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal elements are, all diagonal elements are equal to 1 or unity. Is called identity matrix. Identity matrix. Capital E equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. It is a diagonal matrix. All diagonal elements are equal to 1 or unity. Is called a identity matrix. This matrix order is 3 by 3. This is also 3 by 3. This is also 3 by 3. Total square matrix. Diagonal matrix, square matrix, scalar matrix, square matrix, identity matrix, square matrix. Okay. One more time. Once more. Zero matrix first. Zero matrix. A matrix in which all elements are zeros is called zero matrix or null matrix. 2 0 0 0. Okay, 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix. Next, row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. For example, 1 2 3. Only one row, 3 columns, 1 by 3. Next, column matrix. A matrix having only one column. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Only one column. 3 rows. 1 column, 3 rows. 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Next, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called rectangular matrix. Okay, here 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 is not equal to 3. The number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. Next, square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns is called a square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, it is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. All elements are zeros except diagonal elements. 2, 3, 4. Except diagonal elements. Remaining all elements are 0. Remaining all elements are 0. Is called a diagonal matrix. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix all diagonal elements are same or equal. All diagonal elements are same or equal is called a scalar matrix. Is called a scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal elements are equal to 1 or unity. Or unity. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. It is denoted by capital I. It is denoted by capital I. I means identity matrix. I means identity matrix. Okay. Next, equality of a matrices. Equality of a matrices. Equality of the matrices. Equality of a matrices. First condition. First condition: capital A and capital B are two matrices. Capital A and capital B are two matrices. First condition: A and B are same order. Same order. Same orders. Same order. Second one, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Equality of a matrices. Same order. Corresponding elements are equal. Suppose capital A and capital B are two matrices. Two matrices. Okay. Capital A equal to A, B, C, D. Next, capital B also A, B, C, D. Both are equality of a matrices. Capital A equal to capital B. Capital A equal to capital B. Both are equal. Both are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Order also same. Order 2 by 2 order. B also 2 by 2. Okay. Order is same. Corresponding elements are also equal. Next. 1 4 x y 2 3 equal to 4 5 a b if are equal then find small a small b x y. Then find small a small b small a small b small x small y. Okay, both are equal. Same order. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, order is same. Corresponding elements are equal. This is first row first element. First row first element x. First row first element 4. X equal to 4. Corresponding elements x equal to 4. Next, corresponding elements equal x equal to 4. Next, y equal to 5. Second element. First row second element. Both are equal. Next, second row first element 2 equal to a equal to 2. Next, 3 equal to b equal to 3. X equal to 4, y equal to 5, a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Okay, x value 4, y value 5, a value 2, b value 3. Next, one more question. If 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to x, p, 3, 4 plus 5 are equal. Then find x t. Then find x comma t. Okay, here both are equal. Then find x and t. Okay, here order is 2 by 2. Here order also 2 by 2. 1 x. Both are equal. First element. First row, first element. X equal to 1. Okay, got it. X equal to 1. Next, t value. T plus 5 equal to 2. Corresponding element. First row, second element. First row, second element. 2 equal to 2. Okay. T plus 5 equal to 2. Okay. T equal to 2 minus 5. Plus 5 goes to the side minus 5. T equal to minus 3. T value minus 3. X equal to 1. Okay. Equality of a matrices. Same order. Corresponding elements are equal.